In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix access denied error on ZArchiver app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so if you're getting this error on this file app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix. First, we need to troubleshoot the app and also make sure that all permissions have been granted. To do that, go to your phone and look for settings. From settings, go to this option called apps. And under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for ZArchiver, tap on it to open. Now from here, first go to for stop app and OK. Then go to clear data and clear cache, final OK. Finally clear all data to clear any error that might be causing this issue. Then you need to go to app permissions, and here if you tap on it, make sure you grant all permissions. As you can see, files and media permissions is not granted, and this might be the reason we are experiencing this. So tap on it and grant by allowing management of files. So permission to allow management of all files has been granted. Now what you need to do is to restart your smartphone, and now if you go to your app, everything should be up and running. You also want to check and ensure you're using up-to-date version of ZArchiver app by going to Google Play Store or App Store, search for your app and then update it to the latest version. However, if you're still experiencing any challenge, then check and then see if you're using any VPN or any recently installed security app. It might be the reason for your challenge, and install the app to see if this fixes your problem. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.